How does guest posting work? A comprehensive guide to boost your SEO strategy. How does guest posting work? A comprehensive guide to boost your SEO strategy. Introduction. In the realm of digital marketing, guest posting has emerged as a strategic tool that can significantly impact your website's SEO performance. This comprehensive guide unravels the mysteries of guest posting, providing valuable insights into its mechanics, benefits, and how it can elevate your online presence. Understanding guest posting? Guest posting involves creating and publishing content on another website, typically within your niche. It's a win-win scenario where the host website gains fresh, valuable content, and you, as the guest author, get to showcase your expertise to a new audience. The SEO advantage of guest posting. High-quality backlinks. One of the primary benefits of guest posting is the opportunity to earn high-quality backlinks. These links, placed strategically within your guest post, can significantly enhance your website's authority in the eyes of search engines. Unveiling the guest posting process. Ensure your content aligns with the host website's style and preferences. Craft your author bio. Write a concise yet compelling author bio that highlights your credentials and includes a link back to your website. Mastering guest posting best practices. Originality is key. Craft unique content tailored to the host website's audience. Relevance matters. Ensure your guest post aligns with the host website's content and provides value to their readers. Conclusion. Understanding how guest posting works can be a game changer for your SEO efforts. By strategically leveraging this powerful technique, you can secure authoritative backlinks, drive organic traffic, and establish yourself as a trusted expert in your field. Top 3 highly recommended guest post service providers on Fiverr. As you know, we are always on the lookout for the best service providers to enhance our digital marketing strategies. And I am pleased to inform you that we have identified the top 3 guest post service providers on Fiverr who come highly recommended. We believe that working with these top-tier guest post service providers will significantly enhance our digital presence and boost our SEO efforts. Unlocking the power of guest posting, a comprehensive guide on how it works.